In this video, I'm going to show you how to overlay a text on the top of a video using Python. And for this tutorial, I'm going to use MoviePy library. So first of all, we will import required functions. Now I'm going to open a video. So just it take less time. I'm taking a sub clip of this video instead of taking this entire video. So if you want to convert your entire video with this text, you can skip this part from here. So from my original video, I'm taking a sub clip, let's say of 10 seconds. So this is the video, and now we are going to set a text on top of this video. So for that, we are going to create a text clip. So in this function, first we will specify the text which we want to set. So let's say I want to set a name of my channel on the top of this video. Then font size. So let's say I want to keep it 40. Color. So let's say make it red. Now we need to set the position, like where you want your text to appear on the video. So there are two ways. In the first way, you can specify your XY coordinate manually, or you can use this already predefined positions like left, top, and then I'm specifying the duration of this text clip. So in normal cases, if you want to overlay this text on your entire video, you have to set this duration to the equivalent of your video duration. So as you can see here, I have a sub clip of 10 seconds. So that's why I'm going to create a text clip of 10 seconds. Now we are going to add these two clips into a single one. And for that, we are going to use Composite video clip. So in this statement, these two text clip and video clip will be combined, and here I'm going to display the final video clip. So if you can see, there is a text on the top of this video. Let me play it and enlarge it. So here we have our text. Thank you very much for watching.